everyone. Okay, today I'll be recording this video for the upcoming week. Okay, upcoming week, which is the 22nd of May, 22nd of June until the 24th of, not 24th, sorry, 26th, 26th of June 2020. Okay, so before we started, okay, I would like to say that, okay, because recently, okay, as for those who have followed the fundamental, okay, we have known that currently the market is unstable because of we are entering a kangaroo market. So what means by kangaroo market, which is the market doesn't have a clear direction by just in a very small range, and then the liquidity is low because of most of the investors are afraid of the market volatile because of different market issue like the border of China and India are actually having a war, okay, and then South Korea and North Korea are also having a war. So due to this uncertainty, politician, so the market is present in a slow and steady way. So basically, most of the traders, for those who want to make fast money, you might have a rest now. Okay, you might have a rest now. Okay, so let's get started of the upcoming week analysis. Okay, so AUD USD. Okay, if in a bigger time frame, as we see in first daily chart, obviously it's an uptrend. Okay, obviously it's still an uptrend, but let me put the key line first. Okay, this will be my key line. Yes, so I'll be expecting much buyer waiting here. Okay, for those who are trading in day one, maybe you can wait for become a buyer here, but with your own, with the confirmation, right? Okay, because of when we see in H4, okay, the market is having a strong sell force. Okay, so for our members, okay, we able to wait over here. If you wanted to buy, make sure there's a new setup. If no, we still go for sell. Okay, this AUD USD. So we go for next AUD JPY. Okay, basically AUD JPY also the same thing. Okay, same thing. So this will be the level for, this will be a key line level for daily time frame. Okay, so I will be focusing on sell first. Okay, sell first rather than buy. So if I wanted to buy, I will be definitely buy here, but after a setup form. Okay, after setup form, or else I'm going to have sell eyesight. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so the next will be ODCAT. Okay, ODCAT. Okay, I could say that overall market is in the range. Okay, very clear range. Okay, clear range, but I'm expecting next week going to break down. Okay, going to break down because of Aussie is going to be weakened due to Trump is going to election up. If I'm not mistaken, in the October. So Trump will do anything to make sure the dollar is going to be strengthened. Okay, going to be strengthened. So expecting a range and drop. Okay, range and drop. So this is for day one. So if we look into H4, okay, yeah, definitely in a range. So possible, okay, possible will be a lot of buyer. As you can see, buyer, a lot of buyer here, but buyer will be trapped later because market is going to be drop. Okay, going to drop. Okay, so before that, okay, we cannot expect. Okay, we cannot say, oh, it's confirmed to drop, but we can expect it to drop. So what I'll be going to do, if I really wanted to buy, I'll be waiting for a setup. Okay, I will be waiting for a setup. I will not going to buy instantly at the price. Okay, so for this Aussie Swiss franc, okay, Aussie Swiss franc will be focused on sell. Okay, so we will sell until of this level. Yes, this level. So there's still a room, as we can see. Okay, let's say market sell from this price another like 80 pips. Okay, 80 pips. So if we look into H4, I'll be expecting a pullback first. Okay, pullback. Okay, let's say the level be here. Okay. Okay. So market retrace up, then you can see a sell. Okay, because this level, as we can see, a lot of buyer are defending, so it's no point for us to sell here. Better wait for a higher price to go for short. Okay, so sometimes when you open your chart, there's no opportunity, which means there's no opportunity. So if you think of you want to buy, okay, if you think that, oh, I want to buy here, why no opportunity is a support bar, then you are welcome to be the guest. Why? Because now is a downtrend. If you buy, you are in a risky trade. AUD New Zealand, right? AUD New Zealand. So same thing. Okay, so I'll be putting, okay, so this key line. Okay, so let's look in. Okay, so sell, yes, sell will be advised, because we can see why is a sell. As we can see, this highlighted green area is what we call as higher high, higher low, higher high, and then this level, you can see the market just drop and able to close below of this level, which means market create a new lower low already. So any price retrace to this level, we can see a further downside for AUD USD. Okay, so let's look into gold. Okay, gold. Okay, gold is in the upside basically. Okay, so basically this level will be attract a lot of seller. Can you see on resistance level, a lot of seller be attracting, a lot of seller be attracting. So what I seeing is, okay, so if I wanted to sell, I will be expecting a setup to form here. If there's no setup, then I will not go for sell. Okay, I will go for sell. If there's no setup, I will see high, which means a buy lah, or a buy after this week, or the market push it down, then I see a buy, or at the key line level. Okay, at key line level. So which is my key line level? Okay, because gold is a high volatile pair, okay, highly volatile pair. So I be advising to wait for banker sign to entry before your entry. Okay, wait for banker sign before you take your entry. Okay, so this is the direction for upcoming Aussie pair and gold. Let's look into GBP pair. Okay, which means Great British Pound. Okay, so Great British Pound overall we can see is still a downtrend. Okay, so market have been broke few critical point. Broke few critical point. So the critical point is a very strong level or strong area that market have been should broke. So now currently the market have broke. So we can see another downside. Okay, another downside. Okay, so let us put key line. Okay, I'll be seeing this key line. So I'll be expecting the market to pull back until this level, because I'm looking at H4 H4. If you are looking at the small time frame, okay, you should have your own skill to trade. Okay, so I'll be expecting market retrace to this level and have a drop. Okay, so I would not sell at any low price, because this, as a seller, this expensive. Okay, expensive. So I'll be not going to sell at any low price. I will be waiting for high price, and also I will not go for in to be a buyer, because this is a commit suicide game if I become a buyer. Of course, there's a chance for you, because of what? Because of this, there's a chance if you buy. Yes, there's an opportunity to go up, but for a bigger time frame, it will see a sell. Okay, so for all these Aussie JPY, okay, Aussie JPY also seeing a sell. Okay, also seeing a sell. So it broke this key line. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so same thing as USD, GBP USD. So market going to retrace to this level, and I have a short. So this level will be going to attract a lot of buyer. Why? As you can see, support level, support level. But okay, but even though this is support level, seller will also have the force to drop. Okay, sell it down. Okay. Okay. So can you see that? Okay. So for this GBP or GBP we can still see downside. Okay, still see downside. Okay, still see downside. Okay, so we can see this is our critical point. Okay, critical point. So we be expecting the market retest here and have a drop. Okay, and have a drop. Okay, so this is for GBP or AUD. Okay, another will be GBP CAD. Okay, GBP CAD. So let's look for GBP CAD. Okay, so this level will be our key line level. Okay, this level will be perfect key line level. And then let's look into H4. Yes. So GBP CAD will be, we need to wait. Oh, as you can see, a pin bar. So this pin bar might attract a lot of buyer. Okay, a lot of buyer will be come in. A lot of buyer will be come in because of this pin bar and bring the market high, and I will be wait for short. Okay, so it's better always follow your own analysis. Okay, our analysis is for you have a guidance. At least you can see where the market is moving. Okay, and then GBP CHF. Okay, we can see, oh, it's a strong buy level. As you can see, market as a buy level, but I would say that this level will be attracting a lot of buyer in. Okay, so for those who playing support and resistance, so we'll be buying here, but there's an opportunity for market to break down, and those who buy here will trap. Okay, so always think about that. If support resistance, okay, so easy for you to make money, then who going to lose? Because of that, okay, because of that, by those big players set this trap to trap those who are playing with support resistance. Okay, as you can see, I place a support here. Okay, so this is just an example. First, you place one lot and you place 5 lot. Just an example, but for sure your lot size going to be higher and higher every time. And then here, one, you lump sum, which means you all in your capital and market broke, then you are say goodbye to the market. So this is why we not trade support resistance. Okay, so you should know how to identify what is support resistance, what is key line. Okay, so basically GBP New Zealand a very good trade. Okay, I'll be expecting market to test here and have a drop. Okay, and then the next will be Euro pair. Okay, Euro pair. Okay, Euro pair. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so basically Euro pair. Okay, we can see market keep on create new low by the critical point. Okay, by the critical point. So in H4, okay, in H4 trade chart. Okay, so I'll be expecting this level will be my key line level. So and then this is also critical point, so I'll be expecting market to pull back to this level and I'll be go for short. Okay, because I believe that a lot of people, as you can see, support, many people buy here, broke, then everyone get killed. Okay, everyone get killed. Okay, so this is for Euro JPY, so still seeing sell. Okay, so EuroCAD big picture is in a range market. Okay, range market. So we can see that, okay, we can see that market is going to push it until of this level. So this level, because of, as you can see, so much of evidence saying that this is a very strong support. Yes, so there might be a chance of breaking down. Okay, there might be a chance of breaking down. So if we wanted to buy here, make sure there's a banker side come in, then we can go for buy. But currently we can see the market wanted to reach this level, so we be favor of the market, we bring the market to this level. Okay, so let's see, is there any opportunity? Let us bring the market to that level. Okay, yes, it does have the opportunity, but okay, but we should focus on over this area. Okay, over this area to sell because of the critical point theory. Okay, critical point theory. Okay, Euro CHF. Euro CHF. Okay, so basically Euro CHF, okay, is it from an uptrend. Can you see up, higher, higher, and then it become a downtrend. Okay, become a downtrend. So let's put the key line first. Okay, so this is my key line, and then okay, H4. Okay, so this level is a very strong support level. Very strong support level. Very strong support level. So what we're expecting is market will be pushed by the buyer, or even the seller strong enough to bring it down. Bring it down, or we can rate it higher and we go for a short. Okay. So this is what I'm going to talk about. Okay. So last week, we some of the trader, okay, not our members, okay, asking me, okay, Josh, since the market, can you see that market resistant? Yes, resistant, sell. Oh, and then some more, he showed me that, oh, why we can sell here with confidence, because of first have the resistance, and then second we see a pin bar, then we go for short, and then lastly he show me burst his account. Why? That's why we are not favoring in just following so-called pin bar strategy and resistance. Can you see that a lot of players are trapped by just resistance? So try yourself to understand the market story, not just knowing resistance, then go for sell. Why? Because a lot of seller entering. So you should know why seller entry there, and how big player react. Because of this market, basically everyone is dealing with the big player. So understand how the big player are dealing and playing. Okay. Okay, so basically for Euro GBP, okay, due to the advancing of GBP, so for the correlationship of them, will be expecting Euro GBP to be advanced again, okay, until of this level. Okay, we are expecting market to reach this level. So what I going to do is, okay, I be seeing, okay, first definitely I will going to always, okay, always when even though I teach my student, okay, teach my members, or we trade together, if we learn together, we always trade at the retrace. This will be giving us the best. Okay, of course, retrace only at the key line level. Okay, so this is for the thought for Euro GBP for upcoming week. Okay, so yes, very clear. Okay, so as you can see, market is currently trading in the range. Okay, in the range. So you can sell here. Okay, sell here. Push the market. The first TP definitely is this level. Right, first TP definitely going to be this level. Okay, so Euro USD. Okay, so overall is a sell trend. Okay, overall is a sell trend, very clear. As you can see, the low keep on happening lower, lower and lower, low. So this will be the support level. Can you see that? Why I would say support? Because of, can you see, support, support, support. So many people support buy here. Oh, they see this week, oh, going up, yeah, support true, and then lately break. So I could see a lot of traders are actually trapping over this area. But okay, but we'll be seeing another drop for Euro USD. Okay, another drop for USD. So always understand the market story, not just using what your mentor have teach you. You use what your mentor teach you. You are correct, but okay, you should understand the market condition as well. Okay, understand market condition as well, but and then don't try to memorize all the candlestick pattern. If you wanted to really understand the candlestick pattern, memorize everything, you going to be whole life, okay, your whole life going to just memorizing candlestick pattern by not doing any good trade, because of candlestick, okay, candlestick doesn't represent price action. Always remember, doesn't represent price action. Okay, so for this New Zealand New Zealand USD, so we can see that market is going to retrace to this level and have a drop. So basically, very clear range market. So basically, last week we are actually trapped over this area. Can you see market doesn't move a lot in a day? Okay, just slowly like this is what we call as kangaroo. Okay, this is what as you can see, one day even one day like oh so weak. Can you see so weak? The weak doesn't mean the pair, it mean the liquidity. Weak in liquidity. So market doesn't have movement. So most of trader, okay, for those who think that forex is going to able to make fast money, so during this period, all their human behavior is going to be come out. Why I say like that? Okay, first you're going to be very frustrated of the market. Why? When I trade, okay, as you can see, oh, I sell here, so market drop. Yeah, later on market go back and hit my break even. Totally, I didn't make any money. Okay, so you will start to having doubt. Why my strategy cannot be used? And then start to blame your teacher, blame everyone, blame the market, but not blaming yourself, because you as yourself, you are the one who been educated and been learn. Okay, so you should understand how to see the market. Okay, how to see the market, because you already, I believe that everyone who learn, okay, not just learn from us, is who learn, your mentor should have tell you where should you exit. Okay, as you can see, every time market drop to this level, there's no force you should panai. Get out. Okay, so adapt to the market, not just memorize what your mentor have teach you. Yes, you should memorize, but you should also always memorize, and also understanding the market is much more important than just memorize. A good computer doesn't help you memorize everything. Okay, NZTJPY. Okay, NZTJPY. So let's look into, okay, this is key line. So basically, maybe some of you will be drawing a trend line. Yes, trend line. Okay, so as you can see, oh, something we can see, market is traveling in a channel. Okay, traveling in a channel, but this is a so-called downtrend channel, right? So I believe you guys can easily to be see that market going to retest here, and we can see a further downside. This for New Zealand JPY. And ZTCHF big range. Can you see why I say it's a big range? Because of this is 4-hour chart. Each candle represent 4 hour. So there's so much of 4 hour are just in between here. So some of my members do ask me, hey, why Josh? I sell, but I sell, I expect the market to drop, and I break even my trade, and then lately market hit my break even. Is it your strategy doesn't work? Hey bro, check out of the market. The market itself happened. Our strategy did work, but just the market condition. This is so-called kangaroo market. Sometimes when you face this, you should understand. Okay, you should understand. It's not about your strategy doesn't work. It's about the market. Just like today, you seeing that, oh, food business are great heaven, are holy great. You can make such of profit. Okay, you can make such of profit, but you plan in this year. Okay, starting off, you start to plan, you renovate your shop, but after you start your shop, the whole world is going to be in quarantine. Okay, quarantine. Then who to blame? You start to blame. Ayo, this market, this business doesn't very good. Okay, this market doesn't very good. Okay, this market doesn't very good because of, oh, don't not like before. So you should think of that. It's not the market, not it's not the business, not good. It's because of market condition. But most of the trader, for those who fail, I'm mentioning for those failure, I hope that everyone, for those who are watching this video, is going to be very success of understanding the market condition. Okay, because of today, okay, today market is in a pandemic. Okay, pandemic. So everyone is facing the same problem, not just you. Okay, but for those who are like before, like, you are enjoying just such of profit, like once you enter the market will flow like very fast. But if you are in here, maybe you are a trader who are start to having doubt in your own strategy. I can tell you, your strategy are not a problem. You are the one who make the problem. Okay, so I hope that this statement might be tough to you, but it's a very true. So understand the market condition first. Okay, understand the market condition. Your strategy is going to be work, but just you yourself, do you understand the market condition? Okay, if you're not understanding the market condition, no matter what strategy you're looking for, even you find your holy grail, you also be failed because of you are expecting just one click and the success will be made. Okay. Okay, can you see that? Oh, same thing, right? Same thing. Josh, I buy here lah. Okay, before you see, I buy, but every time I buy, I expecting market to fly furthermore, but come back to hit my SL break even. Then I didn't make any money. I feel so useless or such kind of statement, bro. I believe that for those our members, okay, who learn from us, be knowing where should have our TP. So I can assure that if you buy here, definitely your TP will going to be take. Your TP going to be take. Okay. If your TP didn't take, it's just because of you are greedy person. Okay, you are greedy person. So because of, I want to make a very clear statement for my members and outsider. Okay, we are providing the real education. Okay, the real education. If you are thinking that this is a platform for you to claim gambling, okay, you should find another platform because of forex is a very high volatile market. Okay, everyone have different of money management. So no, doesn't mean you, if you follow this mentor or follow those who are teaching you, you should follow the money management of he taking, because how he can take that kind of money management is because of he has the skill to manage it. But as a newbie, as a new beginner, for those who are just learn, you should have you should take the lowest risk. Okay, once you have the knowledge, you know how to manage, you can take the risk as high as possible because of you knowing how to take the trade. Okay, so for CAD JPY, I can expect the market to drop to this level first. Okay, because of we can see the market start to change. Okay, so as you can see, I can see a double top here, double top, market drop. So expecting market to drop here, but okay, but can you see buyers very strong defense at this support? So a potential of market also will form a double bottom and go up. But before that, seller is dominating. Okay, seller is dominating. And then another one is CHHJPY. Okay, CHHJPY. So we can see that market is going to drop to this level. Okay, drop to this level because of buyer support level. This is support. So when the market drop to this level, a lot of buyer going to entering and wanted to bring the market high. Okay, so series CHF also sell. Okay, also sell, but currently they are in a trap of support and resistance. So we call it as range market, a range market. So if you are a range trader, this is your opportunity. So just take an easy buy, easy sell. So basically what we discuss upon is all just our analysis and our view. So make sure, okay, if you want to follow our trade, make sure you take your own risk, or any result or profit or loss, we are not responsible on that because of this is your responsibility. So we are not advising you to take any trade, just sharing what we can see and focus for the upcoming market condition. Okay, so for USD JPY, okay, because of the strengthen of US JPY, we can see most of the pair who are correlated with JPY will going to be drop or will be drop. Okay, so can you see that market is in the seller buyer zone? So here also potential from a double bottom, okay, double bottom. But even though the market break up, I will still look for sell. Why? Because of critical point theory. Okay, critical point theory. This is very strong for us to identify the point of critical point, the knowledge of critical point. Okay, so USD CAD seeing advance. Okay, of course the first level going to be this resistance. Okay, so if I wanted to become a buyer, here will be my favor. Okay, here will be my favor. Here will be my favor. So USD CHF, yes. So same thing. This level, okay, this level. Okay, sorry, okay. This level will be my favor. This is my key line. So this level will be my favor to become a buyer. And then of course the first TP area will be here, resistance. So basically in a range, but we can expect a high potential for USD, okay, USD to be strengthened. Well, as USD dollar index going to advance, and then can you see market is creating high or is having an uptrend condition already. Okay, uptrend. The criteria of uptrend is formed in USD CHF. So be expecting a upside exposure. Okay, expecting upside exposure. Okay, so upon the market analysis. Okay, upon market analysis for the 22nd until 26th of June 2020. So if you like our video and wanted to us to consistently doing every single week, so please smash the like button and subscribe our channel, so I will be keep on sharing more detail beside this market analysis, more concept of how you can treat forex like a business. Okay, so thanks for the sharing. So we also as an education provider, so if you have any purpose of learning, okay, you have any doubt to be clarified, you are always welcome to our Facebook page or even directly WhatsApp us to inquire more. Okay, so thank you and safe trade.